Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to process the salary revision. Salary revision is a process of changing or modifying the salary. The change affects the entire salary structure. The new salary must be updated in the system so that the employee is paid the revised salary from the effective date. You can upload the salary increment employee-wise. On the home page, click Transactions. Click Manage Revision under Compensation. Click Revision under Workflow. Select the month from the drop-down. You can view the salary revision updated, if any, for the selected month. You can view the salary revisions updated for that particular month. If you wish to view the salary revision for a particular employee, enter the employee code or name and click View. To update a new increment, click New. Enter the employee code or name. Effective date. Select the effective date of the pay hike. The date entered can be any date of the current month or any past date in the current financial year or the previous financial year. You cannot enter a future date. Process month. This will be the current processing month by default. Last increment date. The date of the previous pay revision, if any, is displayed here. The current information will be displayed for the following fields, that is the location, cost center, designation, department, and level. You can update the changes in the Change column by selecting from the appropriate drop-down. Current value. The current CTC will be displayed here. Hike type, you have three options: hike in percentage, hike in amount, and new value. Hike in percentage. The given percentage will be added to the existing CTC to derive the new CTC. For example, if the current CTC is 5 lakhs, 10% hike will be 50,000, so the new CTC will be 5,50,000. Hike in amount. Here you will enter the increment amount you wish to give. For example, if your current CTC is 5 lakhs and you would want to increase the CTC by 2 lakhs, you will enter 2 lakhs under the basis value and your new CTC will become 7 lakhs. New value will enter the new CTC value directly. Based on the hike type option chosen, please enter the basis value. Click Calculate and the new salary values will be populated. Normally, the difference in CTC will reflect nil. Sometimes there could be a difference due to the rounding off. The difference amount can be adjusted to the special allowance. Click Update Employee Master to save the changes. The salary revision is now complete. If you wish to delete the increment for a particular employee, check the box and click Delete. If you wish to delete the increment for multiple employees, check the box for the multiple employees and click Delete next to New. To update increments in bulk, use the Import option. Click Import. Click Download Template here. Update the file with the increment details and save the file. The process month will be the current month by default. Select the calculation type from the drop-down. Select the increment type, which will be either CTC based or ad hoc based. CTC based is where the increment type is based on the CTC. Ad hoc based is where you can update any ad hoc salary changes. That is, if you want to change any salary component, then you can use this option without making any changes to the CTC. Click Choose File and select the file. Click Import. And your file is imported successfully. Please note, multiple increments are not allowed if the calculation type is selected as hike in percentage or hike in amount. Even for new value, the multiple increments should reflect in one single file in a sequential order. Multiple increments for the same employee must be uploaded in a single import file. And also note that if there is any difference found between the entered CTC and the sum of the pay components, the same will be automatically taken to special allowance. Increment on increment in the same month. You can give the increment in the same month. While updating the increment details, you must update the employee details in 2 different rows with appropriate effective dates in each row. And you should use only the bulk import increment option for increment on increment. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.